Hey everyone, it's Jessie. So today I'm going to show you how to do the bobble stitch. For this tutorial, I will be using I Love This Cotton yarn, which is a 4-weight yarn, and this is in the color Stone Wash, and I will be using a J6mm hook. You'll want to start by making a slip knot, and then we're going to do some chains, and if you're not sure how to do this, I will link a video here that will explain how to do all that. You'll need to chain an even number of chains. So for the tutorial today, I will be chaining 16 chains. Now we're going to do a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So here's our loop on the hook. Here's our first chain here. And here's our second chain. We're going to go into that second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on our hook, and we'll go into the next stitch with a single crochet. And you're going to do this all the way across the row, all single crochets. So once you've done that, meet me back here. So at the end of every row, you're now going to have 15 stitches. So now we're going to chain 1, we're going to turn our work, and in the very first stitch here, we're going to place a single crochet. So we're going to skip that chain we just did from the previous row, and we're going to put a single crochet in here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So this next stitch here, that's where we're going to place our first bobble stitch. And if you know how to do the double crochet stitch, that's going to be very helpful. If you're not sure how to do that, I will link a video here that will help you out. So we're going to yarn over, put our hook through that stitch, yarn over, pull through. You will have 3 loops on your hook. We'll yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. And we're going to be doing that same thing into the same stitch 3 more times for a total of 4. Yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We'll do that one more time. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So now we're going to have 5 loops left on our hook. And we're going to yarn over and pull through all 5 of those loops. In the next stitch, we're going to place a single crochet. And the reason we put a single crochet into the next stitch is it helps pop out those stitches. So when you look on the front side here, it pops out the stitches that we just did, and that forms our bobble. So we'll do another bobble into the next stitch. Yarn over, put our hook through there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Do it again. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we now have 5 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. In the next stitch, we're going to place our single crochet, and we'll do another bobble. Yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We've got 5 left on our hook, and we're going to yarn over, pull through all 5 loops. And then we're going to do a single crochet into our next stitch. So go ahead and continue that pattern until the end of the row. So you'll place a bobble stitch, single crochet, bobble stitch, single crochet, all the way to the end of the row, and then meet me back here. Okay, so you should have ended with a single crochet in your last stitch. And typically the first row is going to end up curling. So that's not a problem at all, because as you go along and make more rows, it's going to straighten itself out. So at this point, we are going to chain 1 and we're going to turn our work. So in our first stitch, we're going to place a single crochet. You may need to turn your row just slightly so you can see these V stitches going down. And this was our chain 1 from the previous row. We're going to go into this V stitch right here. We're going to place a single crochet. And then we'll find our next stitch right here, and we're going to place another single crochet. And a single crochet into the next stitch. So you're going to continue on down this entire row making single crochets. So once you get to the end of the row and you've finished with your single crochets, meet me back here. We'll now chain 1. Turn our work, and we'll place a single crochet into our first stitch, and we'll do a bobble stitch into the next stitch. Yarn over, put our hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and we'll do that again. That's 2 times. 3 times, and 4 times. We'll have 5 loops on our hook. We'll yarn over and pull through all 5, and then do a single crochet into the next stitch. And that's all there is to it. You're going to continue that all the way to the end of the row. You'll do a bobble, a single crochet, a bobble, a single crochet to the end of the row, chain 1, turn, and then you're going to do a row of single crochets. So you're alternating between a bobble stitch row and a single crochet row. And this side is always going to be your wrong side of your work. And when you turn it over and you see your bobbles, that is going to be the right side of your work. The bobble stitch makes a great texture and is great for all kinds of projects. If this video was helpful, please give me a like below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.